Alright, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video, and today we are going to share a quick and easy tip on how to replace wiper blades on these Nissan vehicles. This particular model is a 2015 Nissan Sentra, and the issue that you're going to run with a lot of these cars is that the wiper blade arm is partially concealed underneath the hood, so you can't really lift the arm enough to get to the wiper blade and replace it. It's going to be just near impossible to do, but not a big issue. There's a simple way to do it, and that is to put these arms into what is known as service mode. So to do that, you have to come into the vehicle, okay, and we're going to turn on and off the ignition. We're going to wait about 5-10 seconds or so, and then we're going to activate the wiper switch by pushing this lever here up twice really quickly. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn on and off. Going to wait about 5-10 seconds, and then we're just going to give it a double tap upwards. 1, 2, and there it is. It is in service mode. Really easy to do, really simple, and now you can get to the wiper blade arms and you can replace the wiper blades. I've already done these, so you go ahead and change those blades out, bring the arm back down, and to put it back to normal, you just got to activate it again, and that's it. It will go back to its place. So I hope that this video was helpful if you're trying to change wiper blades on a Nissan vehicle. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.